Hello guys, I am back with a new video. Today I am going to unbox manga for the first time ever, even on this channel and as well as myself. Today this package contains more than 10 books of a very popular series called Jujutsu Kaisen. Actually it is a sequel of another manga, but it became popular than the first one. This time I only ordered 0 to 10, which means there are a total of 11 books in this box. Let's see if they are in great condition. Amazingly packed, thank you. But this is torn. I guess that is okay. That looks lovely. See the spine, guys. Maybe there are a few cracks, but it doesn't matter if it is in great condition. I'll give the link in the description box. If it will not be available, then you can find it in Amazon, Flipkart or Meesho. I bought this from Flipkart. You can see the print. It's amazing. See the cover. Actually in camera it might not be clearly visible, but this is in very great condition. And this is Jujutsu Kaisen 0. This is the first manga. Quality is great. Let me show you all the manga from the side. See, the books are value for money. You can definitely go for it if you are a Jujutsu Kaisen fan. Thanks. Have a nice day.